redemption time. Mount Dora trail. I'm here with my boy Brad this time. Brad's a competitor. We competed together in Colorado back in 2016. All the way down to Florida, try out Mount Dora. You ready for it? You gained a little weight since last time we seen each other. Let's do it. You good?
I ain't had any single one of those wooden ramps.
Come on, bro. Got that one, yes. Oh, you're not afraid, are you?
You're probably still gonna fall.
Yeah, this, you really have to control it. Let me see why it was a different for me. Look at that. Oh, what?
I came down towards the end of it because I thought I was getting too high up. What?
That's not the same helmet you had during competition, is it? Or is that more like that Walmart special?
It's the Walmart special.
Dang it. Huh? Think of the reward after this. We get some water.
Hopefully you say tacos.
Oh, think about the reward after this. We get tacos. I lost one. No joke. You walked halfway, but you made it. I'm proud of you. Say your name for the record.
My name's Jose Rosario. I'm dead.